I'm David Hawksworth. I'm at NAIT, and I'm mentoring and teaching kind of what I've been up to for the last 30 years. I'm looking forward to just sharing my experience and hopefully giving a little bit of insight and really letting all these young cooks know that they can absolutely do anything. My favorite snack it changes all the time. It could be cheese, charcuterie. I just had some caramelized popcorn on the back. That was pretty tasty. See, I have to go with a dog, but I love cats too. So, because I have a lovely Labradoodle called Lola that I'm missing terribly right now. Ooh, fresh out of the garden could be anything out of the garden. It could be fresh thyme. It could be English peas, a strawberry. Anything that is out of the garden is mind-boggling to me. My favorite kitchen tool would happen to be currently maybe the blowtorch right now. It's just adding, it's just really fast. You can do a nice little char on something, or it could be my pizza oven at home. Is to really to put as much effort into something, ask as many questions, and really, just be fully invested and try and have fun along the way.